Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be looking at trend trading strategy for trading boom and crash successfully. Trend trading strategy for trading boom and crash successfully. That is what we'll be looking at today. How to identify the trend, how to know when it is starting and when to go into the trades. These are some of the things we will be looking at, so I want you to sit tight and watch this video to the very end so that you will understand everything explained in this video. So before we go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, but especially within the forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take your time, watch some of my videos and make sure you understand everything highlighted in this video. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately, okay? And after understanding, make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. That is very, very important, guys. So if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell to all notification. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly guys, let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, we will be checking out the trend trading strategy for trading boom and crash successfully. And how do we do this? Okay, the one of the best way to trade boom and crash, or to trade any asset at all, is to understand the market movement. Okay, once you understand the market movement, you will be able to trade that particular asset successfully. And once you are able to identify this, then you should know the exact trend with the market or the particular asset is going into. Okay, if it is going on uptrend, then you should know that at that stage you will be having more of buy than more of sell. If it is going on downtrend, then you should know that at that stage you will be having more of sell than more of buy. Okay, that this is downtrend. Okay, then this is uptrend. Okay, you should know that depending on the trend you have, you are in, it's that will determine the type of signal that will be stronger. Okay, for instance, if you are on downtrend, then the sell signal will be more stronger than the buy signal, and the same thing is applicable to if the market is on uptrend. Okay, the buy signal will be more stronger than the sell signal. That is when you will notice that once you get a buy signal, it goes for a very long time than once you get when you get a sell signal on an uptrend. Okay, the same thing is also applicable to when the market is on downtrend. So let's go straight to the chart to check this out so that you will understand how to take full advantage of this and also milk the market successfully. Okay, so right now we are on the chart, and on the chart it is always better you know how to identify the trend. Okay, if you don't know how to identify the trend, or probably you don't know how to do your technical analysis very well, then definitely you will need the help of custom made indicators to do this. Okay, right here on the system I'm using the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, and that is what I'm using to do my analysis and also to trade. Okay, so that you will understand how it works. Okay, and this is the QDC scraper and indicator. The QDC scraper indicator is giving us or comes with an indicator that shows us the trend of the market, and you can see it right here. This is what it's used to indicate the trend. When the market is on downtrend, it is always red. The bars here are always red. When the market is on uptrend, it is always green. And if you see the yellow line right here with the uptrend arrow on it, that is when it is telling us that the trend is about coming to an end and we should be getting ready for the next trend. So if it is an uptrend, if it is an uptrend arrow, it means that the trend is going back into uptrend. If it is a downtrend arrow, it means that the trend is going back into downtrend, just the way we have seen it here, right here. Okay, so that is just it. And the next thing you need to take note of, then the next thing you do is to come to the main chart to start the trend right from the beginning. I always love it when you start the trend right from the beginning. Okay, you can see right here, although sometimes it will find difficult to go into the new trend fully, but if you take your time to study it and also take your time to, if you are patient enough for it to break out from the resistance level, then you will definitely milk the market successfully. Okay, so it is always important you follow the signal that supports the trend in most cases. Okay, so as we can see, we got a buy arrow right from this trend and it's a support zone, then definitely we can milk the market successfully. You can see that the buy signal here went for a very long time. So if you should do your calculation, guys, if you should do your calculation, this actually went for like 22 minutes, guys. That is about 2 hours, Then if you should see the signals that are against the trend, they didn't go for long, okay, because the trend is not in their support at that point. Okay, but check out this is another buy signal again that went for a very long time. You can see it right here. This actually went for 30 candles. Then this is another one, it also went for a very long time. Okay, it actually went for it created about 64 candles, guys. It created about 64 candles. Then you can also come in here. I'm trying to let you know the areas which you can use to come in order to trade successfully. Okay, this is another one to pick up a buy signal, and this is 16 candles, 16 candles rather. And let me quickly say this, okay, in most cases whenever I want to trade trend like this, follow the trend, it is always advisable you use a good time frame that can help you to milk the market successfully. For what am I trying to say? Okay, in most cases we want to use higher time frame. Of course, it is always good when you use higher time frame, but I want to get the signal quickly, and at the same time I don't want to put my money at risk. Okay, that is why I'm not using M1, and that is why I love using M5, M15, and also M30. Okay, it all depends on the one you want to use and for how long you want to stay in the market. Okay, but personally I would advise you to start with M5. Okay, it makes it very easy for you to control and also very easy for you to manage your account. Okay, so that is it. So another way to go about this is you starting from the beginning till the very end. Okay, this is where the trend is starting from. Okay, so once you get a buy signal from here, you can come in and trade. Okay, you can decide to come into the market right here and end the trend right here, okay, on this resistance level. So that is going to take a very long time. Okay, you can see there are a lot of pullbacks in between, but at the end of the day it ended the trend in profits. Okay, that just the way we have seen it on the chart right now. And another thing you can do is you switching over from uptrend right from this level to downtrend, because it is going to be going on downtrend just the way you have seen it right from this resistance zone. After the sell arrow popping out, it has been going down. Okay, and it will keep on going down. It is likely for it to end the trend end movement. From now it is just trying to get to this support zone. Once it gets there and it's unable to break it, then definitely the trend will come to an end at that point. So that is just the way it works, guys. That is the way it works. All you just need to do is just to take your time to study the market over and over, make sure you watch this video over and over just to understand exactly everything I have analyzed in this video. Okay, and also I would like you to have this set up on your chart so that you can practice with it. Start with your demo account first. Once you are able to perfect your skill there, then you can now go to your real account and try it out. Okay, and of course, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and of course, after trading with it, kindly share your results with me so that we can treat some corrections, some errors that occurred during the process, or probably you have a few questions to ask during the that you noticed during the process of practicing. Okay, so this is all we have for today, guys. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and of course you will get them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.